Hey everyone, it's Akos here from ATechFlow. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I want to show you something really different. I think I found the best case what I ever use on any phone. This is the AULUMU Frosted Glow Case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And I want to tell you now, it's not a sponsored video, nothing. I bought it to myself and I just using it, and guys, that case is something different from the others. Let's go. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing as usual. So straight out of the box you get the case, nice clean packaging as always from AULUMU. And the first thing you notice is the design. This is not your typical boring clear case. It's got that frosted translucent finish, kind of tech wear style, super minimal but still stands out. And the moment you put it on the phone, yeah, it just looks insane like. And design wise, this is where AULUMU just wins. You've got this frosted transparent back, that UFO style ring design and the subtle glow accents. And yes, it's actually glows slightly in the dark, which is such a nice touch. Not over the top, just clean, futuristic vibes. And thanks to the two-layer AMD process, the design won't fade or wear out over time. This is one of those cases where it protects your phone but also makes it looks better. And now let me mention the build quality and the feel, because this is important. This is a one-piece TPU case, so it's flexible, shock absorbing, not bulky at all. And the grip, this is where I really love it. You've got these anti-slip side dots and the metal buttons. And the buttons feel amazing, like proper tactile, premium click, not mushy at all. Also, it's super lightweight, only around 47 grams, so it doesn't make your S26 Ultra feel like a brick. And now the protection, because it looks nice but we need protection. So it's full TPU coverage, it totally absorbs drops. Aluminium camera guard on the back, it fully protects your lenses. And the camera rings is raised, so when you put your phone down, you are safe. It's not a rugged case, but for daily protection this is perfect. And now let's speak the MagSafe and the Daily Use. And this is a big one. This case is magnetic MagSafe compatible, so works with chargers, works with stands, works with accessories, and honestly, it just makes the phone way more usable, especially if you're using car mounts, desk setups, or wireless charging. And after using it daily, I can honestly say to you guys, this is the first case I actually don't want to take off. Usually the cases feel bulky or ruin the look. But this one feels slim, looks insane, has grip, has protection, has magnets, and that glow detail at night just adds that premium look. So honestly guys, I didn't expect this at all. I bought this just to try it out, but after using it for a few days, I don't want to switch to anything else. Like this one of those rare cases where everything just clicks. The design, the feel, the grip, the magnets. It just works. And for me, personally, this is the best case I ever used on a Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I'm actually gonna keep using this daily, no matter what case I will get in the future. So this is staying on my phone 100%. And honestly guys, if you're going to the aulumu.com and you're just watching their products, like the cases, case for AirPods, magnetic gear, watch band, everything is just looking unbelievable, insane. Like, what universe they came, like from the future. It's this techie style, it's just so looks good on everything. Look at just those watch band actually. Let's say the A01 carbon fiber cover. Look at this, how it's looking. It's just amazing, like, and you can get it on white, black, orange. It's just... Hello? There is my Ultra Watch 3. Look at that, like. AULUMU, please send me this case. I want to try it out badly. No guys, seriously. This company is so far my favorite. and I'm really happy I found them out, and I'm really glad I can use this stuff these days. I don't know what I wanted to say. Doesn't matter. And I'm telling you, as I mentioned it before, it's not a sponsored video. Nothing. It's my personal opinion from this company, which is personally for me the best of the best. Thank you guys for watching. That was all. It was Akos from iTech Flow. It was a case. It was a case from AULUMU. It's a Galaxy S26 Ultra. And I'll keep you. What you doing? And I'll catch you. What? I forget what I wanted to say. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.